KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant, highly elastic one-component MS polymer joint sealant with very good adhesion on numerous surfaces. Advantages: no blistering. KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant is free of isocyanates which react with moisture and release CO2, causing blistering. No shrinkage. KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant contains no solvents that evaporate during the curing process, causing shrinkage and recessing. Bonding to moist substrates. Due to the lack of isocyanate application in damp substrates is possible. Less fluid streaking. Silicone sealants retain more airborne dust particles in discrete water runoff channels on facades. Non-staining. Unlike silicone sealants, KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant doesn't contain silicone oil that migrates into adjacent substrates, leaving oil stains in substrates such as natural stone and ceramics. Paintable. Unlike polyurethane sealants, KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant is paintable with regular water-based paints, allowing color matching on building facades. Excellent weather and UV resistance. Longer service life and less maintenance needed for KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant, as it is more resistant to cracking and aging. KÖSTER MS Joint Sealant, highly elastic one-component MS polymer joint sealant.